Good morning to everyone. Last class we had discussed about how to find out the mode and median of the less than type and more than type, below or above type we discussed. In this class we will learn how to find out the mean of less than type. So here given marks: less than is 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70. Number of student is given 20, 28, 34, 44, 50 is given. So you have to find out the mean of less than type data. So first one you have to find out class interval. How to find out the class interval? So here given less than 30, 40, 50, 60, less than 70 is given. So difference of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is difference is 10. So I have to make the group of difference is 10. So here given less than 30. Less than 30 means I have to take here 20 to 30. 20 to 30 is one group. 20 to 30 is one group. So next one is less than 40. Less than 40 means 30 to 40 one group. Less than 50, 40 to 50. Less than 60. Less than 60 means 60 to 50 to 60. Less than 70, so 60 to 70. This is a class interval of the difference 10. Next one is number of students are given here 20, 28, 34, 44, 50. So it is in the form of a ascending order. Suppose they will give ascending or descending means you have to consider as a CF column. So this one is CF because 20, 28, 34, 44, 50 is the ascending order. So you have to take this one is CF column. So 20, 28, 34, 44, this one is 50. Next you have to convert CF to the F. CF to the F. So highest value of CF is equal to the corresponding value or sum of the F value. Highest is 50. 50 it is equal to sigma F 50. Lowest value 20. 20 is equal to always equal to the corresponding value of the F, that is 20. In less than, always highest value will get the bottom of the CF value. In more than, always you will get the above or top of the CF value. So next CF 20 lowest value, it is equal to the corresponding value of the F, that is 20. Next in less than given means you have to subtract from top to the bottom. More than given means you have to subtract from bottom to the top. Here 28 minus 20 is 8. 34 minus 28 is 6. 44 minus 34 is 10. 50 minus 44 is 6. So less than given, that's why I have to subtract from top to the bottom. More than and above is given means you have to subtract from bottom to the top. Next you have to find out the mean. Mean you can find out by the three method. First one is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, third one is step deviation method. So you can find out any one method. So first mean means you require the class mark, that is x. X means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 or lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 by 2 means you will get 25. Next one is 30 plus 40, 70. 70 by 2 means you will get 35. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 by 2 means 45. Next 50 plus 60, 110. 110 by 2 means you will get 55. 60 plus 70, 130. 130 by 2 means you will get 65. So next you have to find out, I am finding the using the method of assumed mean method. So you have to find out the D. D formula is class mark minus assumed value. So x minus a. Assumed value you have to take middle value of the class mark or any one of the class mark also you can consider means you will get the same answer. So I am considering the middle value of class mark, that is a. X value is 25, a value is 45, equal to 45 minus 25 is minus 20. Next one is 35 minus 45 equal to minus 10. Next one is 45 minus 45. 45 minus 45 equal to 0. Next 55 minus 45 equal to 10. Next one is 65 minus 45. Minus means we will get the 20. Next column you have to require F into D. Frequency into D. Frequency is given 20. D value is minus 20. 20 into minus 20, minus 40. 8 into minus 10, minus 80. 6 into 0, 0. 10 into 10, we will get the 100. 6 into 20, 120. Sigma F 50. Sigma FD required. Sigma FD equal to minus 40 minus 80, it is equal to minus 120. 100 plus 120, it is equal to 220. Plus 220 minus 120 equal to, answer is 100. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. So sigma FD is 100. Next you have to use the formula. Mean formula is mean equal to A plus sigma FD divided by sigma F. A value I consider here, A equal to 45. So substitute the A value is 45 plus sigma FD, total sigma FD is 100. Next one is sigma F, summation of F is 50. So I have to write here 50. Next 45 keep as it is. So 0 0 get cancelled, 5 1s are 5 2s equal to 47. So mean of the data is 47. Let us discuss once again or how to check out once again. So marks are given less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70. Number of students are given 20, 28, 34, 44, 50 are given. So marks you have to consider always class interval. See 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this difference is given 10. That's how to make the group of 10 only. So less than 30 means you have to take 20 to 30. Less than 40 means 30 to 40. Less than 50 means 40 to 50. Less than 60 means 50 to 60. Less than 70 means 60 to 70. Here F is given. F is not given. This one is 20, 28, 34, 44, 50 is given. So this is ascending or descending is given. So descending is given means always you have to consider the CF column. CF is 20, 28, 34, 44, 50. So you have to convert CF to the F. So highest value of CF is always equal to sigma of F, that is 50. Highest is 50. It is equal to summation of F 50. Lowest value of CF is equal to the corresponding value of the F value. Lowest is 20, 20. Here less than given, that's why I have to subtract from top to the bottom. 28 minus 20 is 8, 34 minus 28 is 6, 44 minus 34 is 10, 50 minus 44 is 6. So CF column is not required to find the mean. Only CF column is required to find the median only. So first CF is given, that's why I have to convert CF to the F. Next you have to find out the F. X means class mark, our lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit is 10, upper limit is 30. 20 plus 30, 50 by 2 means 25. Next 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 by 2 means 35. 40 plus 50, 90, 90 by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60, 110, 110 by 2 is 55. 60 plus 70, 130, 130 by 2 is 65. Next you have to find out the D. So I am using here to find the mean by assume mean method. That's why I have to find out the D. You can find out by the direct method or step deviation method also. So D equal to formula is X minus A. X is given already 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. So 25. First you have to find out the A. A means middle value of the class interval, or you have to take any value of the X as a value. So I am considered here A equal to 45. So 25 minus 45 is minus 20. 35 minus 45 is minus 10. 45 minus 45 is 0. 55 minus 45 is 10. 65 minus 45 is plus 20. Next you have to find out by assume mean method, you require the F into D, FD, F 20, D value is minus 20, multiply means we will get the minus 40. F is 8, D is minus 10, 8 tens are minus 80. Next 6 into 0, 0, 10 into 100, 100, 6 into 20, 120. Next you have to add the sigma FD, summation of FD. So minus 40 minus 80 is minus 120, plus 100 plus 120 is minus 220, plus 220. So plus 220 minus 120 is 100. Sigma f is already 50. So next you have to use the formula mean equal to a plus sigma fd divided by sigma f. This is the mean for assumed mean method. So a value is 45 plus sigma fd is 100 divided by sigma f is 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are 45 plus 2 equal to 47. So last one you have to write. Therefore the mean of the data is 47. So thank you. Next class we will discuss how to find out the missing frequency and argues, less than argue and more than argue. Thank you.